finally finished some DIYs in the living room, and I am excited to share the space with you. So I thought I would just take you through the space, kind of show you what I've been doing lately, what it looks like today. So here we go.
All right, I'm coming into the living room from our entryway, and one of my favorite things of this space was painting the walls the dark green and then painting the crown molding. I really feel like it just made the room sing. And those chairs, while they're not like my dream chairs, for $100 Facebook Marketplace find, I think that they're really working in this space. And oh my goodness, the legs that were on them before, just wait, let me show you.
Okay, we're getting rid of those because they were really ugly. Gonna do what we did the other ones. We've had these other legs forever and we just haven't done it. Still need to reupholster, but I don't know what we're gonna do. So changing out the legs cost about, I don't know, $75, but it really helped the look of the chairs. Coffee table, favorites. I love books and lots of memories. Fun console table and records, a record player, and cards. If you know the story about this guy, you know that he just reminds me of myself, and that's why I love him so much. And that's the first fish I ever caught. There's quite the story to this big 5-foot by 8-foot Corcado piece. It took us forever to figure out what I wanted to do, how I wanted to frame it. Finally DIY'd it, and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. So this is the space. It feels homey, welcoming, very much like me. I'm sure it'll change over time, but here's where we're at right now.